how I got started in making money online and how all this came together, right? My name is Alex. I'm a super affiliate online. This is how I got started into making money online with the internet. Just, I guess, my story, right? So I was working as a dishwasher at a restaurant before. I knew nothing about affiliate marketing, nothing about like how the internet works as a business model to make money. I was a dishwasher. I was in and out of jail. I never went to college. Literally just working dead end jobs, kind of like a blue collar person working dead end jobs, right? I was a dishwasher, right? Literally before affiliate marketing changed my life, I was a dishwasher. Then I seen an ad on the internet that said make money online, right? You know, a make money online ad. I went to the guy's website and he was selling a course on affiliate marketing for $97. Now, I went to the guy's website, like I said, I was living literally paycheck to paycheck, so I didn't have $97 at the time. But I kept on getting emails from the person showing me like ClickBank, a website called ClickBank.com, how much money he was making on ClickBank, how much money he was making on Warrior Plus, and I went to these websites myself and said, oh, I can join ClickBank.com for free, I can join WarriorPlus.com for free, but I just didn't know how to advertise on social media. So at the end of the day, I think it took me about 2 weeks, right? 2 weeks later, I purchased the $97 course, right? Because it was $97, right? I still remember it to this day. It was 97 bucks. After purchasing the $97 course, I didn't do anything with the course for about 2 weeks, right? Because I was like busy with my normal, dishwasher life, shit like this. But once I finally got inside the membership area and actually just listened, I listened to what he said. And I started to do what he told me to do. At the time, it was YouTube review videos and ranking videos on YouTube and putting affiliate links inside the description. Well, I listened to what he said and did what he told me to do. Did what he told me to do. In a very short amount of time, I was making like $550 a week as a dishwasher, and I was making like $700 a week with affiliate links. So I was like, damn, I'm making $600 a week as a dishwasher. Give or take 40 hours, whatever. I was making $600 a week on the affiliate side, and all I was doing was like YouTube review videos and building an email list. So I said, okay, this works. That's how I quit my job, simply because I found out about affiliate marketing. I purchased a $97 course off some guy. It took me about 2 weeks to purchase the course after going to a website, deciding to purchase it. I bought it for $97. It sat in my email for a couple of weeks until I actually decided to do something about it. I listened to what he said. I did what he told me to do inside the video course, right? Every single day, I just did what he told me to do. I did it, and I went from $550 a week as a dishwasher to $600 a week with affiliate links on the internet, and that's how I quit my job, started affiliate marketing, and did, full-time affiliate, super affiliate, make money online guy, multiple streams of income, passive income, residual income. And I just love affiliate marketing, so this is how I got started in affiliate marketing. Now, I put together the same course, right? The same information that someone gave me a couple years ago, I put together the same thing. So there's 5 different ways to make money online with affiliate marketing, and all the information is only $100. It's the same thing that the guy taught me, but just 4 different ways to make money online with affiliate marketing for only $100. So if you guys want to get started with the $100 affiliate marketing course, all the information is below. But it's just my honest opinion on how I got started with affiliate marketing.